Well, it's about that time. Hi there, future course creators. I'm Tony Brown, better known as the Course Catalyst, and I'm here to transform your expertise into a profitable online course with no fluff and just results. In this series, you'll get actionable strategies and proven frameworks that I have used to help my clients, and now you generate real revenues from information you already know and love. Each video comes with a free resource and a low-fee resource, which I call the No BS Briefings, which are mini videos with downloadables, templates, worksheets, and tools to fast-track your success. Now, are you ready to turn your expertise into income? Hit the subscribe button and let's make it happen. Let's make it happen together. Excuse me. Now, go ahead and grab your first resource below, the Ultimate Course Creation Survival Guide, to get you prepared for our course creation journey. Happy creating, and I will see you online.